Here's the right side leg assembly for the Queen Anne chair with the upper skirt here, or skirt, and then this lower stretcher, turned stretcher with these square portions, and a very difficult compound angle necessary back here as it connects to this back leg. So I'm getting ready to work that joint on the alternate side here on the bench, and this part needs to be sliced off with this compound angle, and then also leaving a 5/8 inch tenon to go into the socket in the other back leg. So I'll zoom in now and show you how I go about making that joint. Requires hand tool work, and let me just move this camera up a little bit and over here. I've already marked out with knife markings the shape of that cutoff all the way around, and the way I made those markings is using the templates, these little two templates, a side view and a top view, and these were X-ray mode out of the X-ray style out of SketchUp, so I could see through the piece to the other side. So I have both the inside and the outside cut shown here. And so what I did is just marked out these locations with these templates. That's the top, how that was marked, and then the side was marked like this, and then I just went around using the top stretcher again for the bottom edge, which is here, and so on. So I got it all the way around this plane that is at a compound angle. So the next step for me is I'm going to be using a handsaw to cut these marks, and I find it helpful to create a little shelf, taking out a little chip back to that knife cut, and do that on all these knife cuts. This is walnut, Queen Anne chair that I found in a Wallace Nutting book. This piece was probably in some museum somewhere, the original. And every component that goes into this chair is complicated. Back legs, front legs, the skirts, the stretchers, everything is, there are no straight lines and perpendicular angles. Everything's shaped and angled some way. And that makes it, of course, more difficult to make the components. Now I'm going to knife down again on that shoulder. Give me a little bit more of a ledge, a little shoulder there that helps. Okay, ready now to do some sawing.